Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on to show you how to make this. And these are the items I will be using to make today's DIY, and everything will be listed down below, so you guys can go down, check them out, see where I got them from and all that good stuff. So if you'd like to see how we put this DIY together, you know what time it is. It's time to grab your tea/coffee and a donut or a muffin with that, and let's get started. Alright, so we have our vase here, and I taped it off with some painter's tape, just ordinary painter's tape. You can use blue, green, whatever you choose. And we are going to use some molding paste today. Yes, we're going to use this to add texture to our decor. And there it is. It's like a smooth texture, and I'll be using this molding tool to spread it all over the glass. So we're just going to put it on, and then when we're done, we'll shape it to how we want it. And I like using this molding paste. You can do different patterns, different designs with it, whatever you want, but today we're doing a simple design. So like I said, we're putting the paste all over the bottom part of our vase. And if today is your first time clicking on my channel, I'd like to say welcome. Thank you for clicking on to see today's DIY, and I hope you will hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell twice so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY. And to my oldies and my goodies, welcome. You know I appreciate you guys. And I hope you all give me a thumbs up for today's video. I'd really appreciate it.
Girl, you respect yourself. Girl, right now you are all that I need more, and one more chance is all I need.
And as you guys can see here, I'm just patting everywhere because I want to have a little bumpy design. So I want the paste to dry bumpy, so I'm just patting it everywhere and getting little peaks in the molding paste. And now I have this little candle holder, which I'm going to use at the bottom of our vase. So I'm just going to add some molding paste going around the bottom part of this candle holder also. Now I'm going to remove the painter's tape before it dries, and then I'm going to put it to set aside for a few hours to dry. And now our molding paste is dry. Some layers I did thick, some I did thin. Next time I'll know to do all of it thin, because when you do it thinner, it dries faster. Now I'll be using this metallic acrylic paint. It's color Peacock Pearl. It's a nice color. So I'll just be painting this all over the bottom part of our vase. And when I'm finished painting everywhere, I will just set it aside to dry for a few hours. Okay, now our vase is dry. It looks so pretty. I love the texture that it's showing. It's very nice. So we are going to add some of our Glam chain at the bottom of our vase using some E6000. Now we'll be using some of this bling ribbon that I have. It's leftover pieces from DIYs. I don't throw out everything, you can use it. So I'm just going to be placing them going right around our vase. So now I'll be using some of this bling wrap here. It matches perfectly with our paint. So I'll be doing a thin strip and a thicker strip with using some hot glue, and place it going right around our vase. And remember, you can use any kind of adhesive you'd like to use for your DIY. And now I'm adding some more of our Glam chain with the E6000 going right around. And now it's time to add some more of our bling wrap. Now it's time to add my favorite gems from Totally Dazzled. OMG, you know I love the gems. They just add an added touch to whatever you add them to. So I'm just putting it right here on our vase. And now we're just gonna use our glue and attach our bottom piece to our vase. And here's our finished look. Our glam modern vase. Doesn't it look lovely with the textured design? I love it. I think it looks beautiful. Using the molding paste, oh gosh, it adds a lovely texture. And I got the molding paste from Michael's. You can also get it on Amazon. No, I got mine from Amazon, but you can also get it from Michael's. So sorry, you guys. Amazon is where I got mine from. But it's absolutely lovely. Look at it. And you can shape it into anything you want and have it on your decor. It's absolutely beautiful. I love how it looks. Here it is displayed here. It's a lovely piece of home decor. And here we go with flowers inside. I love how it looks with the flowers too. Looks beautiful. And you know, you can add any color flowers that you like. Yes, I absolutely love it. I think it looks beautiful. I love the texture of what the molding paste gives you. And you know, you can add your paint to the molding paste. Yes, don't have to put it separate like I do. You can add it together and put it on, just so it's not as shiny if you add the paint to the paste. But you still get a nice effect. So if you want to skip a step, you can do that and add your paint to the molding paste. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of today's modern and glam DIY. Yes, and I love the color. And this color is in too. It's a very fashionable color this summer. Spring, summer, yes. I love it. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. But tell me what you think about today's DIY. And once again, if it's your first time here, welcome and thank you for seeing today's DIY. Spending a little time with me with your tea/coffee. And I hope you do hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you'll become part of our Glamster team. Yeah. And like I said to my oldies and my goodies, thank you guys for always coming back and seeing whatever I have to share with you. And I hope you all give me a thumbs up, press that like button if you like today's DIY. I would really appreciate it. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.